Hey there, YouTube. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change a front door speaker inside of a Chevy Cobalt. In this video example, as you can see, the door panel has actually already been removed. If you'd like to see how to remove the door panel, that was actually a recent video I did. I will link it at the end of this video, or you can go find it on our channel. But in this situation, we're going to be taking this door speaker out itself. Right here, you can actually see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws around the outside of this speaker. So this is an OEM Chevy speaker. So this right here doesn't have like any of the cool like Pioneer logos or Crutchfield or anything like that. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this speaker out right here. So 1 screw, 2, 3, and I'm just gonna reach over here real quick, guys. 4. So 4 screws out, we're gonna set those off to the side. So this like speaker itself right here just has the 4 screws for it. So if you guys were to order another speaker from another brand that isn't like OEM or a replacement model, you could just get a speaker like this right here that would basically just have your 4 speaker slots, and those would go there and use this existing housing that they already give you. If you were to order a replacement OEM one, in that situation, they actually might give you another one of these housings. I actually saw both. So if this piece is broken by chance, which this is made out of metal, so it probably won't be, then just make sure if you need that, that is actually something that you do order. But as for this video, I just wanted to show you how to remove the actual speaker. So right here, this is your speaker wiring right here. You would actually get a compatible harness that would change this to a red and a black cable, and you would put those into your new speaker, and then basically you would screw that back in and you would have a brand new set of speakers, or in this case speaker, on your front door. So I hope that helps you remove the speaker on this. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any additional videos that you'd like to see, please let us know. Thank you.